Donna is my friend. We have taken over her place today. We're just cleaning it up, organizing it, and we're bringing in presents. Being a single mom, I don't know that she buys herself anything for Christmas, so we bought her a robe and a necklace and some pampering stuff, and we've wrapped them up, and we're gonna put them under the tree, so when she comes home today, she's gonna be blown away, and it's just one less thing that she has to think about this Christmas. She has no idea we're here.
You give me love now unconditional. My heart condition nearly critical. You make me stronger than I've ever been before.
She has the most amazing business, Blondie's Baked Goods. She works at a salon during the week, and then she's doing these cookie bites that are unbelievable. And so she's trying to do both and the single mom thing. It's just rough, so we are here for her.
Oh, you got me, honey, unbelievable. Now that you got me, oh, it's unmistakable.
We totally snuck in today. We told her that we got a free freezer on Craigslist, which is kind of maybe a little white lie, but that we were gonna bring it by and bring it to her for her cookie bites so that she could put them away, but she has no idea. And in a little bit, we're gonna go to the salon and interview her. I told her that we were gonna be talking about women entrepreneurs and like how hard it is sometimes because you have to do everything. She has no clue. She's gonna be so blown away. One of the things that we wanted to tell Donna is that she's not alone. So I had Jesse, who's a graphic designer, just come up with this super simple, you are not alone. Oh, I didn't even see that before. It has a little heart. Because sometimes you just feel alone in this world, and we want her to know that she is absolutely not alone. Okay, here we are. Donna works here. It's a salon. She's an esthetician. She has no clue what we are really filming for, so. All right. All right, so I'm here with my friend Donna, and we are talking about the challenges of owning a business, a woman-owned business. It can be rough because you have to do everything, like bookkeeping and like all the things, right? So Donna makes these cookie bites called Blondie Bites, and they're amazing. But talk about the challenges.
There's been so many challenges. Just all of the different nuances of baking, production, upscaling, delivering, marketing, doing the photo shoots, getting my word out with sharing about them. It's all of the different pieces of it on top of being a full-time single mom. And then just having this heart and desire and passion for wanting to serve other people and support them with this need I feel like I'm filling. And how do I keep it all going and take care of myself and pour into other people that I love and care about and still be a decent person.
But you're amazing in that you are a powerhouse. You don't sit around and feel sorry for yourself.
So it's been juggling both of these, and it's really hard because when you care deeply about something and you are running your own business, you don't get to shut the door and leave it there. So I take it home with me. I'm packaging up orders at the house. I am talking to people, networking, doing a lot of those behind the scenes. And then I'm trying to enjoy little pieces of the holiday season because I have a 5-year-old and I don't want to steal that from him. I want him to still see the love and the joy and the excitement and magic of the Christmas season. And so I bring him alongside me and we make the best of it together. He delivers with me. I think if I didn't have him, honestly, I wouldn't even really be enjoying much of the holiday season. So I'm so grateful, even though it's really hard to be a full-time single mom, because you do everything. There's still dishes, there's still laundry, there's still pouring into your kid, they have meltdowns, and then they're still running this business and taking care of yourself. But it's finding those little pieces of joy, and he brings those out in me. Otherwise, I think I would never shut it off.
It's so good.
And honestly,
oh my gosh,
it is, I would say, the biggest piece that keeps me really going as an entrepreneur and as a mom is having amazing friends And well, that's like, I'm like, no. Emily and I have had these really amazing conversations about what it means to just have a tribe and to come alongside each other and to lift each other up. And I've had messages where I'm crying and I'm like, what have I gotten myself into? What have I done? What am I thinking? How dare I think that I can even make something of myself? And then I have her as my cheerleader telling me, you've got this, you can keep going, you know what you're doing. And then also kind of giving me a kick in the pants, like, what are you doing? Pull yourself out. And having your tribe of women to come alongside you.
So important.
It's life-giving, because I probably would have given up.
Thanks for taking the time. Talk to us.
Thank you for letting me share. Oh, I love you, friend.
I love you. I'm so grateful for you. It's coming. Okay, so I have to stop. Thank you for blessing me with that video. It was fun to meet Ben. It'd be super cool to be able to do like a little cooking video in the future, or talking about baking or something. I hope it comes out well. I feel like I just rambled so much.
I wish she had GPS.
But thank you for blessing me with that. That was such a treat. That made my day. And then I get to see Jessie, which I'm excited about. And she's blessing me with a freezer and oh my gosh. Alright, I'm on my way to get Colby so I can be at the house at 4 to meet Jessie.
Perfect.
I actually might be there a little early. Alright, I love you. Thank you.
No, we're just kind of pulling around the corner, so no hurries at all.
We were going to swing by Walmart, but I'm coming up the hill.
No, go swing by Walmart. Go swing by Walmart. That would be fine with us, because then, that'll just be easier since you're already out.
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah, we're kind of just cruising along, like, the countryside here.
Oh, okay.
I mean, there's a little bit of light traffic, too, so we'll probably be around the same time that you're going to be.
Okay.
So no hurries.
Okay, she's gonna be here any minute. This is gonna be incredible. This is the collaboration of a lot of people to make this happen. Gifts for her for Christmas. She's so deserving and works so hard. So I'm ready to see her expression. It's gonna be awesome.
Things are clean. Ah! Oh my gosh, you guys! What is this? I was like, why are things clean? You guys, Merry Christmas! What? More presents? What do you think? What do you think? Thank you guys so much. I like never had anything like this in my life. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys. I cannot believe. We have more. What? Stop. Oh my, what the heck? Wow, this is amazing. So this is what this is all about. So even on your like saddest day,
Mama,
like you're not alone.
Mama, look it.
Ornaments! I know, isn't that awesome? So every time you come out of the bedroom, you're loved. Thank you. You're welcome. I cannot believe you did this. You're like a sweet angel that just like pops around into everybody's life, just blessing them. It's like